All right, everyone, welcome back. So let's jump into solution number one, and it might surprise you. It all comes down to browser extensions. Yeah, but sometimes even the most helpful extensions can cause unexpected problems. And in this case, the main suspect is our ad blockers. Adblock, uBlock Origin, those guys.
So the first thing to try, if you're experiencing this freeze, is to disable or even remove your ad blocker, at least temporarily.
And just to be extra safe, it's always a good idea to restart your browser after making any changes to your extension. Our second solution involves tackling something called the cache. Say I'm on an Android phone, what do I do?
It's pretty straightforward. You go to your phone's settings, then find apps, scroll down to YouTube, tap on storage, and there should be an option to clear cache.
And what about iPhone users? Is it similar?
Pretty much.
All right, and for those of us watching YouTube on a computer,
You'll want to head to your browser settings, usually by clicking on the three dots or lines in the top corner. Then look for something like privacy and security, and you should find an option to clear browsing data.
and it's worth mentioning, clearing your cache regularly is a good habit to get into anyway.
Absolutely. It can help your browser run smoother and faster.
So there you have it, folks. Two simple solutions to conquer that pesky 59-second YouTube freeze. Thanks for joining me for this deep dive. It's been a fascinating conversation, and I hope it helps everyone out there watching YouTube without those frustrating freezes.
My pleasure. Always happy to help.
And everyone listening, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time for another deep dive into the wild world of tech.